Some people are actually making money with this picture making, this trending picture stuff, but it's not an offense. But I always make my research and I realize that this thing is actually free online. So I'm here to teach you how to make this with your name or any other name you love. Just go to any browser you are using, Google Chrome, and type ideogram.ai. Ideogram.ai, type it there and search for it. So is ideogram.ai.login. It should bring you to an interface like this, and on the interface, I don't think you have an account on it. So if you don't have an account on it, just sign up with your Google account. You see that sign up with Google underneath. So it will bring your Google account. So you have to have a Google account to be able to do this. So while doing this, just after signing in with your Google account, it will bring you to an interface like this. Just agree to the terms and condition and continue. Then it will bring a display name, like the name you want to be bearing on that. You can put any name. I put my channel name GemeelCollection, but it did not accept it. It said it's between 3 to 16 words, so I have to change it to Gmail. Please press that like button now if you have not done so for this video. Thank you. It said it must be between 3 and 6 characters, 16 characters. So I reduce it to Gmail and I press complete registration. So after pressing complete registration, you can now start diving into the world of creativity with this app. It will bring you to this recent trending. Just go to trending. It will even take you to trending. You see a lot of portraits there that you can use. Just go through the portrait and you see a lot of portrait there. Pick the one you love. Anyone you see that you love, just press on it. Long press on it and it will open. So I'm going to take a portrait now and I'm going to create with my name. You have to stay to the end of this video because after taking the portrait, you have to do some things to make sure that you are able to download your picture to your phone. So I'm going to take a portrait now. Let's work with this Anastasia. I'm going to take it now and I'm going to go down to the down part. There's a place they wrote to remix. So after pressing the remix, it will bring that remix will allow you to be able to edit that name that is on it. So you can actually put any name you love. I'm going to put my name Jemilat. So after putting my name, I would press generate. Is at the down part of the screen. So when I generate, it brought all this for me. You can generate more, but I'm okay with this. So with this now, you can press anyone you love out of it, or if you want to download everything, just long press on the picture. You can see everything I have there. Long press on the picture and it will bring an interface like this. That's download image. Press download image and it will be downloaded straight to your phone. Thank you for watching this tutorial from the beginning to the end. Do well to subscribe to this channel and please like this video.